Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Lamborghini Huracan Evo in Asphalt 9. This incredible car is a fan favorite, known for its amazing speed and handling. We'll dive into the easiest and most effective strategies to add it to your garage without unnecessary grinding. By following these simple steps, you'll be cruising in your new Huracan Evo in no time, dominating the tracks and leaving your rivals in the dust. Let's get started. The core of acquiring the Huracan Evo lies in collecting its blueprints. You'll need a total of 60 blueprints to unlock this beast. Daily events are your best friend here, offering a steady stream of blueprints if you consistently participate. Also, keep an eye on the Legends store. Sometimes, special packs or individual blueprints for the Huracan Evo appear. Don't forget to complete career mode seasons, as some offer blueprints as rewards. To truly speed up the process, focus on special events that specifically feature the Huracan Evo. These events often provide a large number of blueprints, sometimes even 20 or more, for successful completion. Joining an active club can also boost your progress, as many clubs offer collective rewards. Remember to manage your in-game currency wisely, saving it for those opportune moments when blueprints become available in the store. Getting the Lamborghini Huracan Evo is definitely achievable with a bit of dedication and smart play. Remember, consistency in daily events and strategic saving of your resources are your most powerful tools. It might take a few weeks, but the satisfaction of unlocking and driving this incredible car is absolutely worth it. Now go out there, apply these tips, and enjoy the exhilarating experience of racing your very own Huracan Evo.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.